Very good morning, my dear friends. I heard from many of my students that when the counseling for super specialty will happen, why this stress for us, sir? We have prepared nicely, but after the counseling, after the release of the rank, the prospectus which was given should be followed. Lot of messages, but the government side, the stance of different states about the service quota. So one side the students talking about the prospectus, other side the students talking about the state government decision in quota reservations. See one thing, my dear friends, now the cases with the High Court and Supreme Court, the proceedings are going on. Kindly understand one thing, my dear friends. I always tell, always think about issues which you can control it. You have given the best exam, you have prepared nicely, given the best exam, and you have got a good amount, good rank for the amount of preparation which you have done. So the rest of the things are not under our control. I can always say the government can bring any decision, the court can give any verdict, that is not under our control. So what is under our control, my dear friends? So leave all these things, my dear friends. Don't worry about it. It is not worth, which is not under your control. What the judge will tell, what the government will do, nobody knows. The update you will get, don't worry. But what we have to do in this time, you have to live your life, my dear friends. You might have missed to talk to your good friends, you might have missed to go to your grandma place or places where you have born. Go to that place, my dear friends. Enjoy life. You won't get the days back. Definitely the case is postponed to the November 2nd week. So until 3rd week or 4th week, the counseling may not happen. So go to your places where of course internet facility is good, because the immediate counseling they may announce, and enjoy life, my dear friends. Spend time with your family, spend time with your kids, spend time with your parents. Don't talk about MCH, DM, why this is happening to me, ma, why this is happening to me, dad. Let it happen. We are no more kids, my dear friends. We will face it. More than facing it, I can say enjoy it, because these days once you join MCH, you won't get. So even if you joined MCH now, already the COVID cases are more. So the learning process will take at least 6 months, 1 year. So you let it be your additional batch, and you learn a little bit more the specialty which you are aspiring and you are joining. Life is more than all MCH, doctor degree, etc., my dear. Life is all about fun, happiness. Please come out of the DR and live the life, my dear friends. You will enjoy, you will see the beautiful world. You will see so much happiness, so much fun which is surrounding us, which ideally we might have missed for learning kidney transplant, for learning endoscopic surgery, PCNL surgery. Yeah, of course that is important. But what we are missing is the life which is surrounding us. The life is actually we supposed to live. We miss all the days. I still remember my words of my professor, Dr. Anto sir. Win people, win patients, money, everything is a byproduct. Still I am winning a lot of people. It drives me a lot of happiness, lot of fun, lot of energy. The problem which I am facing, everyone knows, but the people who are surrounding me, the positive energy, the positive vibes which they are driving me inside is not comparable, my dear friend. That energy is what we need. So win people. Don't bother about the SS degree, counseling. All these things will happen. All these things are predetermined. I always feel. What we can do is enjoy the life, enjoy the happiness, and always tell, live the life as you learn, because life is all about living. Life is not all about MCH degree or money or anything. Even you have 1,000 crores, you can have You can eat only 3 times a day. What is going to make? So, what it makes is really the happiness, the fun, the joy, the enjoyment, the positive spirit, spreading happiness, spreading smile, avoiding hatred speech. All these things makes a wonderful difference in your life, my dear friends. Enjoy life, and the counseling will be, I hope and pray for every super specialty aspirants. Let this counseling be in a right direction without any bias. So many people are waiting for it. Let it, let we leave to God, and and I enjoy the life, because life is more important than anything, my dear friend. This is Dr. Anthony Rishkumar, CEO, founder, president, Concept. Jai Hind.